Morning, Steve here in Chicago with the morning grain comments. So markets are higher overnight. We got beans up 16 cents. We've got corn up 5 cents, and the wheat market right now is trading up about 7 cents and back over the $6 level. I think the main thing that we're doing is two things. Number one, weather. South American weather looks dry over the next 2 weeks, and especially in central Brazil and maybe eastern Argentina. And we noted last week that the Argentine farmer has stopped planting their crops and waiting for moisture, and that there is delay in plantings of the southern Brazil crop, and could be delays in planting their second, which is their bigger short season corn crop. So I think we're putting a weather premium back on the market, and we're just under $12 in the beans. And if we trade and close over $12, there's last 7 years we've been trading in a range of $4, 8 to 12, 12 the high. So if we close over that, maybe we're going to establish a new trading range, a $4 range that could, the objective could be $16. The second thing is that we continue to hear news about a vaccine. Maybe some doses available yet this year, but the majority of them in 2021. So most economists feel that the second, at least the third and fourth quarter, or the second half of 2021, if people are vaccinated and if it works and people get back to work, restaurants reopen, people travel, hotels, things like that, that pent up demand for raw materials, including gasoline, would spark a rally. So stocks are higher, the dollar's lower, crude oil is higher, and the gold is lower. So it just seems like there's a strong positive opinion, right or wrong, about a vaccine slowly turning the COVID virus around, and that's a big deal. So again, when we look at some of the numbers, right now the government's got a corn carryout this year of 1702. Most of the guesses are around 1550 due to higher export demand. On the bean side, same thing. Government's at 190. Most people are around 100. A few are even below 100 because of, again, higher export demand. So we need China to come in and buy U.S. corn and beans, and we are the cheapest source of corn and pretty much the only source of soybeans right now until later in 2021. For 21 and 22, everybody's got 92 million corn acres, 89 million bean acres, and the range of guesses for the corn carryout is 1537 to 1716 versus the government 1792. And the beans, the range of guesses is 136 to 200 versus the government's implied number of 155. And the 200 number is just somebody that's got a 52 bushel yield versus the government's 50.6. So again, it feels like the path of least resistance is higher, and we'll just see how high is high if we close and trade over that $12 in nearby beans. Again, these are my thoughts and not those of ADM Investor Services. Have a safe and profitable trading day, and remember, always treat people like you yourself would like to be treated.